everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Mahwish here with another easy breezy banana recipe. As per promised, I am back with another delicious mouth-watering overripe banana recipe. Don't throw away those last black bananas. Instead, make this scrumptious banana croissant pudding with Nutella and top it off with some chocolate chips. Eat it with or without whipped cream. The choice is yours. This banana croissant pudding with Nutella is my little spin on banana bread pudding. If you have ever eaten or made a banana bread pudding, you might know that it's made with cubes of bread or sourdough bread and bananas, and then a mixture of egg, milk, sugar, and corn flour is poured on it. And then it's baked. But I have tweaked it a little bit and made it a bit better. I have used croissants instead of bread, and I have used Nutella. Obviously, addition of Nutella makes everything better. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. 3 croissants, preferably 1 or 2 days stale. 3 overripe bananas. The more ripe they are, the more sweeter they are. Nutella or Nutella, whichever you prefer to call it, it's still the yummiest spread. 2 large eggs, 1 cup thickened cream, half cup sugar, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup chocolate chips. I don't think so I used whole of it. I just sprinkled a few on top. Here's how to make this delicious banana croissant pudding with Nutella. Before starting, prep your oven-safe dish by spraying some oil, or you can also butter it up and then put it aside. Now cut all your croissants horizontally. Now peel your bananas and slice them. Make sure that the slices are a little thick. Now open your Nutella and slather it on 1/2 of the croissant. Now place the thick banana slices on it, making sure no place is left empty. Squeeze in a few if you want. Put the other half of the croissant on top and firmly press it. Repeat this process with the other 2. Use a serrated knife, this one's a steak knife, to cut the Nutella and banana filled croissants into 2-inch squares. Place these cubes in the prep dish and cut the other 2 similarly. When all the croissant cubes are in the dish, we will place the leftover banana slices here and there. Now wash your hands to proceed further. Now we will make the pudding mixture. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl, add vanilla essence, cream, sugar and salt, and whisk them together until they are well combined, and then pour it on the croissants. Press the Nutella and banana filled croissants a little so that they soak up the pudding mixture. The stale the croissants, the better they soak the mixture. Now clean the sides of your dish because you don't want those little specks to burn. Now cover your oven-safe pudding-filled dish with foil and place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, pull it out of the oven and remove the foil. It should have risen a little bit. Bake it again for 10 minutes or until it's golden from top. This is how it looked after 10 minutes of baking, so I baked it for 10 more to get the golden top. It already smells so good. Now that's the golden top I was looking for. So I pulled it out of the oven and just cooled it a little bit more before I popped on some chocolate chips. It looks so tempting with the chocolate chips. Oh my. You can serve it as such or with ice cream or with just whipped cream. It was so soft and spongy to cut into, and look at all that chocolate deliciousness. I served this banana croissant pudding with Nutella with this luscious whipped cream. And guess what? I made this whipped cream in a NutriBullet. Okay, time for Maha's quick tip. To quicken the process of whipping the cream, pour your thickened cream in a NutriBullet with some sugar and vanilla essence. Switch it on and count till 15. Yes, count till 15. You'll have luscious whipped cream just like over here. It was so tasty that it was all gone in 5 minutes. The banana croissant pudding and the whipped cream, all finished. So next time I doubled the recipe and doubled the time. I thought it would be done in 30 to 40 minutes, but it wasn't. It took an hour to bake and 20 to 30 minutes to get the golden top. Hit that like button if you liked my spin on banana bread pudding, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and press that bell icon to get all the updates on what's cooking at Maha's Shack. If you're already a subscriber, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. I totally value your likes and your comments. Comment down below and let me know if you will make a single batch or a double batch of banana croissant pudding with Nutella for your family. Thanks for watching and bye for now.